if you need help, contact Stedman Solutions. We'll certainly talk with you, do a quick evaluation if it's a question that we can answer really quickly. I think Steve got a call a couple months ago from somebody who was already most of the way through their repair and just needed a few minutes of help.
Yep. This was a client in, I think it was in Singapore, and they called me up and started talking about it. And we realized that in under 15 minutes, we were able to have their database repaired and corruption free. Generally, if it's something like that, give us a chance to take a look at it and see what we can do to help. Sometimes this turns into a multi-day, 2 or 3 days or longer process to repair the data, and we can be there to help. We can be there to guide you. There's a lot of different options, and make sure you review that plan with someone else. And even if you know you're going to do it, if you want to call and have a 15-minute conversation that says, this is what I'm planning on doing, what do you think? Give us a chance to take a look at it, and we can at least drive you in the right direction. So ask for help when you need it, whether it's someone else on your team or someone else in the SQL community or us. Yeah, ask for help when you need it.